Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back to UiPath Forms tutorial series. In this video, we are going to explore an exciting components, tabs. I will show you how to use tabs in UiPath Forms. Tabs are a great way to organize your forms into sections, making them clean, structured, and user-friendly. So let's get started. The tab components allows you to create multiple tabs within a single form. Tabs are perfect when you have lots of information to collect, but you don't want to show everything at once. For example, in UiPath Studio, you can see here we have Home tab, Design tab, Debug tab. In the debug, you can see only these controls, these options like debug, stop, there is a step into, step over, step out. These multiple things that you can see only access from the debug. If you go to the Design tab, then you will see other things, right? If you want to make form like this, you need to design form like this, then you can use tab there. Take this one. So let's take one tab here. Okay, this tab component. Now here we have option to add multiple tabs. We already have one tab and it's showing like this. Once we'll add one more, let's add the details here. So this tab I want to take for personal information. You will have also seen while applying for the jobs in the company's job portal, you will have seen that first we are updating the personal information, then educational details, and then work experience, or those things that you update there, right? So personal information, second for education, third you can take it for work experience. So there are three tabs. You can see it from here. You can see the preview that is showing here in horizontally. If you want to set it vertically, then we have option to change the layout vertically, and then you will click on that and you will see the details. If you click on that, see the other components here, right? Let's save this. Okay, now you can see here we have three tabs: personal information, education, and work experience. Now each tabs is having option to drag and drop a form components. It means, let's say we have this personal information panel. I can drag this panel to this personal information panel. Now if I click on this education, this personal information which I dragged to this drop to this personal information tab, which is not showing. It means I can see only if I will go to this personal information tab. Now in the education, if we have any let's say this text field, I'm going to take it for your qualification or highest qualification. I can take it here, and now you can see if I click on personal information, I can see these details. Education, I can see highest qualification, sorry, highest qualification. Save it. In the work experience, we can move forms the components related to the work experience. So let's assume that we have this. I can move it to the work experience, sorry, here, right? And this also I can make it move this to the work experience. Now you can see only we can see the personal information if we are on the personal information tab. If we click on education, I can see the text field for only education. If I click on the work experience, I can see other details here. So you can design the forms like this. Let's save it, these also, and then I will show you one by one these forms. Let me take one more form here. This is for basic form. Let me run this one by one so that I can show you how we organized our forms. So let's see the quick demo of each form. Now you can see here this is for employee feedback survey form for the basic one, Second, let me submit, and then let's see the other form. And now you can see everything here. You have the save button and you can save this. It was awesome, right? If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more UiPath tutorials. In the next video, we'll continue exploring more practical examples using UiPath Forms. See you soon.